In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Halifax bank account online, so let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then type in halifax.co.uk in the address bar and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for Halifax Bank. Now in order to log into your account, just click on the sign in button at the top right corner and this will take you into the login portal. Now all you need to do is type in your login credentials. So just go ahead and type in your username followed by your password. Finally click on the continue button and you will be logged into your account with Halifax Bank. In case you forgot your login details, just click on the button alongside the continue button which says forgotten your sign-in details. From there you will be able to reset your password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with Halifax Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next one.